Alright, today we're doing the unboxing of a Harbinger 120 watt portable PA. 2 speakers, 2 deals, not too bad. Box is not that big either. It's roughly over here, 13 and a half inches wide, and it's roughly 30 or 20, just a half inch over 2 foot tall. So not that big. You could get it into 370Z. You can't get the hatch shut, but you can get it into 370Z. So here we go. We're gonna check it out and see what we got for $200 is all this costs at Guitar Center. I think his name was Andrew at the Oklahoma City branch. He's got this. He's a pretty nice guy. But, you know, this is something that, just little bitty portable stuff, nothing that you're going to go pulling a show with. Maybe a little back porch show in Choctaw. But, you know, it comes with some little bit of customer warranty support. Little box, go here, show this. Just kind of packaged up like that. Got your speakers in there. Got your speakers in there. We'll pull these bad daddies out. Maybe if I can get it out. Ooh, there's one. Here's a PA mixer board right there. Just throw this junk back in there. Even comes with 2 speaker cords, which is a pretty good deal. There's your information warranty stuff, or just your, I guess your information stuff. And there's your other one right there. All that comes in that little box. We'll take these little bags off. See what we got. Looks like it's also mounted. Got the little hole so you can buy your speaker stand, like that. Those are probably $200 just for the stands, though. So that's what you get. You get 2 of these little doodads. It's not a bad looking speaker. 2 handles on the sides. Right? It's not bad looking. Yeah. Try this again. I'll do this one. And if you ever wonder, these right here are delicious to eat. Just I like to sprinkle them in my cereal. You know, they swell up, juicy, delicious. Right there. So that's that. See, unboxing. I guess I'll go ahead and unbox this little mixer board. Always have a pair of scissors and a screwdriver when you're doing your unboxing. You don't want to keep the people waiting on YouTube. Right, YouTube? So, this is the front of this big bad daddy. This is the 150 watt version, which I think I did say earlier. And that's it. And there's another piece of deal for your cereal. Got 3 of those, so that's going to be delicious cereal tomorrow. But, here's what we got here, guys. We got your master volumes, your volumes on each channel. We got a low and a high, and effects. So I guess we can throw some effects in this aux, or it may have a little effects return deal on the back here. It does not. Main insert. I don't know if that's it. But, heck, that's about it. And then I don't know what that's for, but it's something probably important. So that's not a bad buy for $200. So, hey, thanks for watching. Hit this subscribe button, and if you like this video, There ain't nothing there. But anyway, thanks for watching.